Hey, I wanted to make a video about my truck. Had a problem here a while back. It wouldn't start just all of a sudden. No warning whatsoever. But just out of the blue, wouldn't start. So to make a long story short, I'll show you what I found. The problem with it, just turned over like it wasn't getting any nothing. Like it wasn't getting any gas. Never would hit. So the first thing I did was start thinking fuel pump. This is a 2006 F150. So there's a couple of things it could be, you know, and I just got to thinking, I'm not a mechanic, guys, but I try to figure out my own problems. And I'll show you what I found. But this has been a while back, but I wanted to make a video about it, and I'll show you what I found. I'll crawl down here under it and show you what if I can get to it. Which it's a fairly easy fix. Forgive me here for a minute while I wiggle around and get to it. It's back here next to the back tire. Okay. That's a fuel pump module right there. Okay, and then right back there it is. It's a fuel pump module. And you see that red wire? Okay, that's actually a wire shrink. That's the first thing I did was get under here and look. There's a fuel pump module right there. And first thing I did was check the wires. Red wire was broken. I mean, that's all it was. So, yep, I couldn't find my soldering gun, so I went to my trusty old, whatchamacallit there, Harbor Freight, and bought me you see, there's the plug-in with the wires. That one wire's broke. And I just really didn't have much of a way to fix it, because, I mean, you put it up on a lift, it'd be a lot easier. So I just had to attach a wire. It didn't have much to hook to. If I really wanted to get it, take a spare tire down, take the jack, and then buy a whole new pin and all, and extend the wire and then solder them together, would have been better. But this way I just attached a wire on both ends, soldered them, and heat shrunk stuff together to put it. So if your F-150 won't start all of a sudden, there's a good chance that that's what it is. So, but mine's an 06 with 130,000 miles, and it just had a broken wire in that jack right there. And basically that's what it was. This thing's got some freaking rust underneath it. They say on a good day you can hear a forward rust. I don't know if you can or not, but the rest of it don't look too bad. Just certain things like surface rust, I guess. Oh well, it's just a truck, right? Even the freaking frame's rusty on this thing. Maybe it's time to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate all the watchers and subscribers. I got over 800 now. Moving on up to the big league. See you later.